Oh my god, I am so excited for this video. Excuse my greasiness, excuse my scarf situation, because we have real deal business to handle today, okay? If I keep looking this way, it's because the mirror's here. I just got a new tripod that is like 62 inches or something, so we're like neck and neck right now. But okay, let's talk. Have you ever had something where you're like, oh my god, I need this, I want to buy this, can't wait to buy this, blah blah blah, but every single time you like get ready to buy it, something comes up or you forget about it, time goes on, blah blah blah. That's what happened with this product. And y'all, my face started having like breakouts and stuff from, you know, stress, climate change, time of the month, whatever the case may be. You know, she decided to start acting up, but I went ahead and was like, I can't take no more, I need to go ahead and purchase this. So let me show y'all what I got a hold of. Y'all, I'm excited, I'm pumped, I'm pumped. So for those of you that do not know what the Clarisonic is, it is supposed to be the holy grail in facial cleansing devices. It's supposed to reduce fine lines, reduce pores, clean your pores. And guys, this has fell no type of short of doing just what it claims to do. So I've been so excited to get this. Now, prices. So the Clarisonic on their website, and I'm pretty sure on like Sephora, Ulta, and all that kind of stuff, is like $169. Y'all better get acquainted with QVC, honey, because they have deals like nobody's business. And I got mine for $113 or $116, one of the two. And it also came in like a bundle with like 4 brush heads. And you can't beat that, because for the $169 that you pay online, or the $160 whatever, you only get 1 brush. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing though, if I can get this opened. Hope y'all had a good week. I left my face dirty just for this because I knew it was coming today. So here is the box, and I'll put it up closer so you can see. I got the Mia 2 in magenta. There are 2 radiant brush heads, 2 deep pore brush heads, and 1 sensitive brush head. And then it has the USB charger in here. Y'all know I've been rocking it out with my baby Purity. Trying to get this box open. This is a true unboxing, guys. True unboxing. I went ahead and quit playing with my life and got the head size Purity. I love this stuff, y'all. I have been using Purity for a long time. Let's see, like back in 2014 when I first started testing out the waters with makeup, the lady at Ulta who I worked with, who like showed me how to do my makeup and all that kind of stuff, suggested Purity as like a makeup remover, facial cleanser type of deal. I used that whole bottle and then I didn't buy it again for whatever the reason, and so I would just buy like little travel bottles here and there. But when I went ahead and picked up this Mia 2 Clarisonic, I was like, let me just go ahead and quit playing and get the big bottle of Purity. So that's what this is here. And when you buy it on QVC, I don't know if you can get this everywhere, but when you buy it on QVC, they have like a little pump that comes with it for like easy use. So shout out to QVC, y'all are the real MVPs. So we got that as our cleanser. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of the business here. Okay, so this is what she looks like up in her. This is the brush itself. It is about as large as my hand, so great handle control. I want to use the black sensitive brush for the first time because I do have sensitive skin. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there and hope that it stays. Should be good. I'm gonna put this regular brush back. Now, I don't know if this comes charged or not, so we're gonna see how this works. Hold it for 3 seconds and it resets. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into washing it. I read the directions. Basically, what it says is you start off by just getting your face wet. You then go to wetting the brush, add your solution of whatever kind. The top should be 20 seconds, the T-zone should be 20 seconds, and then this side of your face for 10 seconds and this side of your face for 10 seconds. That should be a minute total is all that you're supposed to need every morning, every night, and within a week you should see all types of results. A month, more than all types of results. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with using this. So I'm excited. First, we want to wash our hands because we don't know where these hands been. You need to make sure that you wash your hands at all times, okay? I have 2 towels up here. One is for my face and then one is here, so y'all not coming for me. Don't come for me today. Drop the girl. I'm just using water to start off, of course. I read something about using like extra hot water on your face is not good. Just like it's not good when you use your hair because you create like heat damage on your face, so to speak. So I'm going to be using lukewarm water. Getting my brush wet. My brush is wet. Doing 1 pump of my purity. Turning it on. There's like a small sound. Oh. So it does tell you when you should be changing it. Well, that was cool. And you can kind of see that it's not white anymore. So I'm just going to rinse that off. That was so cool. I'm going to go ahead and do 20 more seconds on myself. Just because I should have followed the directions the first time. I have my 1 pump of purity. And it actually has like a little pause when it wants you to move sections. So you start up top, 20 seconds. Go down this T and under your neck, 20 seconds. 10 and 10. So let's try this again. Ooh, we got juices and berries going everywhere. I did want to let you guys know that I took the time to kind of look up some of the immediate benefits or the main benefits really of the Clarisonic. And first of all, it is supposed to remove 6 times more dirt, oil, and makeup buildup than regular cleansing. So like cleansing with your hands or cleansing with the other brush. It also is supposed to increase the absorption of your skincare products. So you should be able to see a difference in the foundations that you use and all that kind of stuff. It also is supposed to reduce the appearance of pores and wrinkles in your face. So fine lines in your pores should be, you know, either blurred or eliminated, whatever the case may be. And then it also helps even your skin out, and it helps clear up like dry patches and acne. So that is why I went ahead and purchased the Clarisonic. Alrighty, so here's the brush. I know it's probably not focused, but I have stuff in my eyes so I can't focus it. But here's the brush, if there's any way that it is focused. I'm about to rinse my face and rinse the brush off. And I'm just patting my face. I just let the water rinse off all of the dirt and stuff, and I'm just patting my face. I want to just start off by saying that the claims that it makes your face feel soft are 100% true. My face feels so soft. Like during the time that I was using this, it felt like a mini massage or a mini facial, and I was just blown away by, like I said, how soft it was. I use a sensitive brush, and I told y'all I did that because this is my first time using it and I have sensitive skin. But you do want to just kind of start off sensitive and then gradually work yourself up, because this is something new on your face and you don't want to be too rough with your face on the first time. But even with the sensitive brush, I felt like I got a really good clean. So of course, you guys know I use the Purity for my cleaning solution. After I used the Purity, I went in with my Dickinson's. This is a pore perfecting toner. It gently cleanses, conditions, and maintains clear, smooth, and balanced skin without over drying. So as soon as I got finished with the Clarisonic, I rinsed my face off. I dabbed with a white towel. I don't use color towels because sometimes those color towels, the dye in them will like still kind of be left in some of the threads and strands, and I noticed that it broke me out a lot more whenever I use like colored versus white. So may just be something in my head or what, but I only use white and I use a different one every single time. But so after I rinsed all of my like cleaning solution off, dabbed my face dry with my white towel, and then I went in with this and my little cotton rounds. I just put some on a cotton round, rubbed it all across my face, and let it air dry. After that air dried, I went in with Neosporin. Now, don't laugh, y'all, because I know some people are like, girl, why are you using Neosporin? I'll use A&D ointment as well, but people are probably like, why are you using Neosporin on your face? I've been using that for some time now. I actually got that from Dollface Barbie. Shout out to you. I don't know what video it was or how long ago it was.
I use A&D ointment, which is usually made for scars, scabs, rashes. One day I ran out of lotion and I was like, I'm not about to get up and go get no lotion. What else can I use? So I looked online about like what else can you use, because my face wasn't breaking out, but I was getting marks on my face, and I was trying to figure out what could I do. So they was like, if you use A&D ointment on your face, it'll help moisturize and heal your skin at the same time.
So whenever my pimples or whatever are, you know, open and exposed, they are open sores, so using this helps heal them. I have noticed personally that this does blur them out. It does not completely get rid of them, but it does blur them out. And I'll zoom in just a little bit. Let me tap my camera lens, but I'll zoom in a little bit, and you can tell like in some settings they look a lot darker than others, but for the most part they're healed. They are easily covered, and I mean, I just found that it works for me. It's definitely helped, but it's also about consistency. Whenever you get inconsistent, this is with your hair, your face, your body, whatever, you know, all of that just goes out the window. So we're just gonna pray on consistency. So let's make a pact to be consistent with this together. If you have some skincare issues that you're trying to resolve as well, let me know. I hope that this unboxing was as exciting for you as it was for me. Like, I was jumping up and down, like out of my skin when I got that knock on the door, because I knew it was this and I was so excited. Like I said, I can't wait to use this more and more and more. I hope that it does more and more and more for me. And if you are thinking about getting it, let me know down below in the comments. If you have this, let me know, how does this work for you? Can we have a chat? How do you feel Clarisonic has changed your life? So if you are one of those people who are thinking about getting it, or you have it, make sure that you comment down below. Let's go ahead and get acquainted with each other. Let's be glowing pals, okay? Let's get our skin together. You're not alone, I'm not alone. Let's do this thing, okay? If you are on here and you're not subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Like, subscribe down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.